How to hide text messages on iPhone lock screen. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find and tap on Notifications. Here, keep scrolling down to the Notification Style section to find and tap on Messages. Here, you can check your preferred alert types, such as Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners. Scroll down to the bottom and go to Show Previews in the Lock Screen Appearance section. From here, you can choose when to show previews. Change the settings from Always to When Unlocked. This will hide the message content until your iPhone is unlocked. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily hide text messages on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.